How to start page numbering from a specific page in Google Docs. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, head over to the part where you want to start this one. Say, for example, here, I'm just going to go ahead and click the insert button and then go ahead and choose page numbers. And then I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to try to put the page number here at the top so we can see it clearly. And then what we are going to do from this point forward is just uncheck this one, link to previous. As you can see, the page number is now gone, so this is 2, and then this is now back to 0. We can go ahead and click the options, page numbers, and then we're going to check this one here, start at 1, click apply, and there is our page. Now we're just going to go ahead and put it in the middle so that we can see it clearly. So that's 1, and then if we are going to scroll down, this is 2. Here at the top, the previous one, we can just go ahead and delete them. And there you go. That is how to start page numbering from a specific page in Google Docs.